Hi everybody, how are you? This is our Cookies Depositor. Now I will show you our machine's special features. Firstly need to open, then you see on the display, you see multifunctional cookies depositor. You see here, right? Multifunctional cookies depositor. That means this machine can use cookies and cake, both one. If you change this hopper full body and put another cake hopper for cake depositor hopper, then this machine also can make cake. That's why we write here multifunctional cookies depositor. Then first you see cookies mode, cake mode, also wire cut mode. But for this hopper, we just use these two, cookies and wire cut. Firstly, we show you cookies mode. See here have 20 different parameters. Like we can save 20 data, 20 different types of recipe. If you want, like here, we save one recipe. Then if you want to need another one, just here we need to save. Then data is save is okay. Like this way we can put here 20 data or 20 recipe. If this one, you see here everything have. See. And for wire cut, see here have 12 data. That means we can save here 12 different types of wire cut cookies recipe. Like one, this is one types of recipe. If you need to same this one, if you want to copy, just copy, then go to another. So for wire cut, we save here 12 data, and for cookies, we can save here 20 recipe. When click one, everything is okay, then just put a start, machine is running. You see. Start. 1, 2, then no, because we set here only 2, then stop.